I'm just here in the garden now. Someone's hungry here. The street cat. You see that, guys? I cut the excess grass here. See? There's a lot of new growing grass here. I am sweat. Oh my God. Here also in the outside. I'm just done cutting here. See? It's clean now. See the grass? Thanks God. I'm done now.